What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. As you guys can see, we are doing a house tour. We're gonna be breaking down my new house that I just purchased, breaking down the square footage, some personal things that I like, and the features that we added to the house. It's been a work in progress, but it's finally done, and I'm excited to show you guys everything. So let's come inside. As you guys can see, we got my dog, and we got the famous world map like we had in my last YouTube videos. I'm not sure if we're gonna keep it here, but we're gonna work with it. There's still some decor things that we're going to add, but I'm super excited to kind of show you what we've done to the house. And if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, and stick around to the very end because we're also going to be doing a giveaway. So let's dive into it. All right, so the first room that I want to show you is the office. It's not quite yet done, but this is the office furniture that I had from my last house. And this is more of the cute office, like my wife says. Upstairs is my actual studio where I'm going to be filming the videos, which I'll show you guys. But here we don't have them hung yet, but I love these motivational wall prints. 97% who quit are employed by the 3% that never gave up. I also love this one as well, but just a super cool vibe in here, and it's just a little bit different than our last house. I mean, this is a lot bigger. We have 7 bedrooms. It's over 4,000 square feet, so we have a lot more room, and I'm excited to kind of show you guys what else we got going. So let's come over here. And this is the living room. We got, of course, the flat screen TV. We have so many TVs in this house. I'll show you guys all of them. But we got new furniture. We got the nice leather couch. This was super expensive, but it turned out really nice how this whole room looks. We got the fireplace, which I love. We got the super tall vaulted ceilings, which is just one of my favorite parts. And that was kind of one of the requirements of the houses that we were looking at, was tall ceilings. And so I just love the way that it looks. It's also an open floor plan. So if you come over here, you can see that we have the kitchen. So we got the kitchen table, super nice open kitchen with the darker cabinets on bottom, the white cabinets on top. Just love the contrast with the huge thick quartz countertops. We got brand new GE appliances. That was quite a big upgrade. And that is the kitchen. I just love it. Every time I'm in here, I actually want to cook, and I'll show you guys outside. I got a grill, and it's something that I've kind of learned to love to do during this quarantine, is just kind of cook and take some time to do that. So let's come over here. And this is the first mudroom, which I'll kind of show you guys why we have 2. But this is one mudroom. We have a half bath. So this is just the bathroom, powder bathroom. And then over here, we have the laundry room. I'll turn on the lights. We got brand new washer and dryer. And this is game changer, at least for my wife, because it actually washes the clothes fast. It dries the clothes quick too. So that's been super nice to have brand new, basically smart washing machines. It's Wi-Fi enabled and all this crazy stuff. So right here is the first entry to the garage. And this is one of my favorite parts of the entire house. We got the walls painted, and that was kind of the biggest delay that we had, was we painted the walls, painted the ceiling, and then we got this super dope floor done, as you guys can see. And it just made the garage just feel so much more clean and just fit my baby as well. We got this charger installed, and it's been super nice. And we're probably gonna be adding a 3rd car. I know that Sydney doesn't want one, but I really want the Cybertruck. So we have a big enough garage to do so. So I'm really excited about it. So let's come over here. And like I mentioned, we have 2 mudrooms. So we have 2 doors that go in and out of the house. So this is the kind of the main mudroom over there where the laundry room was at. So it's kind of cool how we have 2 entrances. And so that's kind of a cool feature. Come on, sorry, come on, come on, come on. Good girl. All right, so now let's head to the master. And the master's on the main. And here we have just a super open room. We got vaulted ceilings as well. We got a lot of windows. And another cool thing is we have an incredible view, and I'll show you guys a little bit more, but we have an awesome view of the whole kind of valley right there. No houses behind us, which is awesome. We also got the huge, massive TV. We upgraded this in our last house. We had a 55-inch, so I had to put a 65-inch. I know it's kind of overkill for this room, but it makes it nice when we're watching Netflix at night. So come over here, we have 2 walk-in closets. So this is my wife's closet, and then this is my closet. And to kind of give you guys a little bit of an update, I know I showed you guys my closet last time and we talked about how I was obsessed with sweatshirt hoodies. That's still the case, but there's a new clothing brand that I absolutely love, and I basically own all the clothes from the company. It's called Built. As you guys can see, all these are Built. So I just have a ton of Built clothes, and that's kind of my new shirt. So this is Built. If you guys want to shop, click the link down below. I'll link it to you guys, and you guys can check out their clothes. So another thing is I got my shoes. These are my new favorite shoes. I got one pair, and then I'm wearing another pair right now. So I'm gonna have two pairs of my favorite shoes. So let's come to the master bathroom. And this is a huge upgrade, and this is just one of my favorite places in the house. We have a huge, massive walk-in shower, the Euro glass. Awesome tile work. I mean, just the tile that was picked out is just incredible. And then we got the freestanding tub, and then of course the big massive windows that just bring in that natural light. So really love how the master bathroom turned out. And then we also have the bathroom over there. But let's go upstairs now and we'll check out my office. All right, so here is the front door, and this is how to go up the stairs. And this is another cool thing that we did is you'll see that the carpet stairs is different than our actual carpet. So that was something that we did, was have kind of this cool patterned carpet. And then at the very top, it's the different carpet. So this is the first bedroom. Like I said, there's 7 bedrooms in this house. The first one is just nothing. So we'll come over to my office. And this is my new studio, which I absolutely love. We got the ring light, we got the lights, we got the standing desk, we got the backdrop, as you guys have seen in my new videos. And of course, we got the incredible view. So that's my office. I've loved filming videos, so stay tuned for more. And if you guys are not yet subscribed, you might as well subscribe to the channel. We talk about Amazon FBA, how to make money online, so make sure to subscribe. Also like this video if you guys are enjoying the house tour. Let's go over here. We got a bathroom up here with a tub shower combo. Super awesome. I love the tile work. I'll kind of show you guys the tile in here. Super, super cool tile with the black floor. And then over here is just like a little bonus room. So we have the TV in here. This is my couch from my old office. We got some cute wall prints. And this is just a place to kind of hang out. We don't really spend much time up here, but it's kind of a cool little bonus room. And then the last bedroom up here is where I have some studio lights where I do some product photography for my business. If you guys didn't know this, I sell on Amazon, and that's what I do full time. If you guys are interested in learning how, check out my channel. I have tons of videos talking about Amazon FBA. So that's the upstairs. 3 bedrooms up here, then this bonus room, 1 bathroom, and now let's go downstairs. This is another thing that I love, just the huge open room that you can see everything. Really love the open concept of the house and how it turned out. Love the chandelier lights, super cool looking. We also added the Nest thermostat, which is super cool. We can control everything from our phone. Most of the things in our house is kind of Wi-Fi enabled, so we can control everything from our phone, which is nice. We'll come down in the basement, and yes, it is finished. We're almost done. I know it's big, but here is 1 guest bedroom. So if my little brother wants to come stay over, we have that room for him. We have another bathroom in here. So we have another tub shower with this super cool tile, and then we just have a bathroom in there. So that's that. And then over here to the right, we have a little workout gym, which is not quite yet finished. With this whole quarantine stuff, trying to buy workout equipment is like impossible. And so we're trying to get this filled in, and we'll add some more flooring in it. But for right now, it is basically just to kind of rehab my back. I've been going to physical therapy. And here is one of my favorite parts of the house as well. We have a big basement. We got a 75-inch TV, as you guys can see. And I started playing a little bit of video games. Haven't played in like 2 weeks. I played for like a week straight, and then I just kind of was like, I gotta work on building my business. So that's been super fun. And then we have a ping pong table I mean, we just have a big, huge open room. And if we come over here, this is going to be my favorite part of the house, but I haven't quite added it. And I'm hoping to get my back good enough to be able to do this. But we're gonna add a golf simulator. We're gonna add a golf simulator in here, and I'll be able to basically golf whenever I want, practice. But first things first, I gotta get my back straight. So let's come over here real quick. I'll show you guys some storage. Another thing that I love is we have tons of storage. So here's a storage room. I mean, we just have like sleeping bags and blankets. And then over here, we have my gaming chair that is super, super comfortable. But I just pull that out when I want to game. And then in here, we have the furnace room, cold storage. So it's huge to store all of our stuff. I got my golf clubs, we got my snowboards, skis, my fishing gear. Those are things that I love to do. I love fishing, I love skiing, I love being in the outdoors, and I love golfing. And it's been a bummer that I haven't been able to lately, but hopefully I'll be back soon. Another thing that I want to show you real quick, I know that I'm kind of geeking out about this, but we have Google Nest Wi-Fi, and we have fiber optics internet over here, and we have 1 gig upload and download speeds. And honestly, it has been game changer. I've been able to upload videos way quicker. It saved me so much time. And you may think that that's like silly, but I promise it's literally saved me probably 20 to 45 minutes a day in basically uploading videos. So it's super nice. Now let's go upstairs, and I'm gonna take you and show you guys the landscape. It was quite the job, but I'm gonna show you guys the view that we have, and it's just incredible. So let's go upstairs. Okay, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna show you, hopefully it's not too windy, but we got the deck and just this amazing view every night. We have the beautiful sunset. We have the patio furniture. I got a smoker where I have been starting to smoke some meat and grill some hamburgers. So that's been super fun. And now let's come downstairs and show you guys the backyard. So this landscape job was quite the project. We have so much retaining since we're on a hill. And I mean, we're on a hill, but we get an awesome view. I mean, there's no one behind us. All these rocks, we got the fence installed, and just all this retaining to make our yard super flat. We're gonna be here for a little bit, and it was worth the investment, and I'm super excited about it. We have the walkout basement, and then over here we have some cool rock stairs. And this one really loves the backyard. And if you get a look at the house, and so it just turned out really nice. I mean, a lot of retaining work, but it's been worth it. Now let's come to the side of the house. We'll take you guys around front and we'll wrap up the video. All right, so here is the front of the house. I loved how it turned out. We added the RV parking over there, and we did all the landscape. I love the black accents. We added the fence because obviously our dog needs to stay in there. So it turned out really, really nice, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But let's go inside, let's break down some other little things that we did, and we'll announce the giveaway. So let's go inside. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour, and as promised, we're doing a giveaway to 3 people. I'm giving away $50 to each person, and all you need to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and then also join the Amazon Champion Facebook group, which I'll put in the link down below. That's where I'm actually going to be announcing the winner. So literally, you can just do those 4 things and you're going to have a chance to win $50. So I'm really excited about it. And just to kind of break down a few things about the house. Like I was saying, it's 4,000 square feet. We have a master on the main. We have an office, 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedrooms downstairs. We added a few things. Obviously, landscape was quite the job. We painted the garage. We did the flooring, as you guys saw, just the super, super cool flooring. We added the car charger. We added a water softener, and we just continued to add things that I wasn't expecting to add. And so we're into the house quite a bit. Maybe I'll make a video breaking down the actual numbers and how basically it's broken down, like how much is our mortgage, how much did we put down, how was I able to qualify, and things like that. So if you guys are interested in seeing a video like that, maybe I'll do one, maybe I won't, but let me know in the comments down below. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour. It's been super fun. Again, we've been here for like 6 weeks, and I can't wait to basically start a new life here. And that's what's been awesome, is it's been kind of rejuvenating. It's been motivating to help me continue to work and move forward, make more content, grow my business. And literally, I've been growing my business so much in this last 6 weeks since I've moved here. I've been way more productive. And it's because I have something like this, and I wake up every day and I'm like, man, I'm so blessed to have something like this and to kind of look back on my journey on how I got here. It didn't just happen overnight. And that's something that you guys need to understand, is it takes time. It's going to obviously not happen overnight, and you just need to keep working. You need to make those sacrifices, invest in yourself, and eventually you'll be able to have what you want. So obviously this isn't my end goal. I'm going bigger and bigger and bigger every single day, but I'm really excited with the progress. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, join the Champion Facebook group so you guys have a chance to win $50. So thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video.